Austin. I'm with My Lawn DFW. All right, so right here we got an 8-foot fence, board on board with cap and trim. You see here the rails. We got about 3 rails right here for support, and then we got a kickboard at the bottom. Treated pine because it's touching the ground. It's a 2x6 and a 2x4. 11-foot poles. They're dug 3 feet deep into the ground for support. We got about 100, 120 pounds of concrete per hole. We got the cap on top. And if you come around to the other side, you can see what it looks like for what the customers see. So let's go around.